Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open camera app without waking up screen in Nokia Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, let me show you. Here I have two camera applications. So if you are using two different camera application, then just select the one camera as default, as you can see here, which camera you want to use as a default camera. So just firstly select the default camera. So in my case I will use the default camera as the first one, so I will click on always. So first you need to do this. So after doing this, just let me lock my phone screen. So you can see here, so I'll not wake up. If I just pull it up, then it get wake up, right? But without waking up, I will open camera app in any Nokia Android smartphone. So how to do it? So let me show you. So here I am not wake up. So if I double tap wake up, so even my phone screen is locked, you can see I have set a password. So I'll just log it. Now you can see here what you need to do. You can see here power lock and unlock button, right? So just press the power or the lock button twice a time. 1, 2. So you can see here the camera applications gets open directly without waking up screen, right? So in this way you can open any camera applications without waking up screen in any Nokia Android smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today, and I'm sure someday it will be very useful if you want to open the camera applications without unlocking your Nokia Android smartphones. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.